If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on Skyscanner, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Access the Skyscanner login page. Go to the Skyscanner website or open the app and navigate to the login page. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Two-Factor Authentication. Once you attempt to log in and are prompted for the two-factor authentication code, look for an option that says Forgot Two-Factor Authentication or similar. Click on this option to initiate the reset process. Step 3. Verify your identity. You may be asked to verify your identity through an email or SMS sent to your registered contact information. Follow the instructions provided in the email or SMS to confirm your identity. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. After verifying your identity, you will receive instructions on how to reset your two-factor authentication. This may involve entering a new authentication method or code. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. Once you have successfully reset your two-factor authentication, set it up again by choosing your preferred method such as an authentication app or SMS and follow the prompts to complete the setup. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication should be reset and you can log into your Skyscanner account securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Skyscanner's customer support for further assistance.